Facebook said on Friday it would soon start developing topic exclusion controls on its platform to give advertisers greater ability to weed out certain types of content from appearing alongside their ads. This comes after companies including Coca-Cola Company and Starbucks boycotted Facebook in July for not doing enough to curb hate speech on its site following the death of George Floyd, an American black man, in police custody. Advertisers have complained for years that big social media companies do very little to prevent ads from appearing alongside hate speech, fake news and other harmful content. In September, Facebook as well as YouTube and Twitter signed a deal with big advertisers to curb harmful content online. Facebook said in a blog post on Friday the controls would help advertisers define how their ads show on Facebook newsfeed, adding that it would start testing out the controls with a small group of advertisers, a process which could take about a year to complete.